So what I'm going to do through you, Chair, I'm going to, for each of the presentations, I have a question or two throughout. So just for the NDPP, here are my questions. Firstly, this bizarre decision taken by the NPA right now, not to prosecute anyone on the Phala Phala issue. I just want to check from a timing point of view, when can the Nolle Prosecute certificate be issued so that a private prosecution can kick in? That's the first question. Secondly, I just want to find out whether in the Phala Phala investigation, who was actually leading the investigation? Was it IDAC or was it the Hawks? Who was actually leading the investigations? Because when the police were talking to Parliament a couple of days ago, General Libya was not saying anything convincing about where is the matter, and he was busy saying a lot of other things except addressing the issue. So I suspect he was not that much involved, but I don't know. But maybe we are here now. Can you just clarify? Was it IDAC or was it Hawks that were leading the investigation? And in that answer, third question is, in whoever led the investigation, I just want to know, there was a very damning finding by the panel led by no less than a former Chief Justice. And also that panel also had another senior judge. One of the findings there was that the president has a prima facie case to answer in terms of the alleged violation of Section 34, subsection 1 of the PRECA Act. So the question is, did any of the investigators even have a meeting with the president to ask him about this? Was he given an opportunity to explain himself on the such a damning finding by such a highly powered panel led by, as I said, no less than a former Chief Justice? So that's what I just want to find out.
Firstly, on the question with regard to the Phala Phala matter, the decision, the DPP who took the decision is on this platform. I want to say that these are processes, they are processes, also review processes that can be utilized for interested parties who are not dissatisfied with the decision. Honorable Manyi said that he wanted to know when the Nolle Prosecute certificate can be issued, and to use his words, so that they can kick in a private prosecution. Firstly, there must be a formal request to the DPP for this certificate. And secondly, the words used to kick in a private prosecution would seem to suggest that the decision has already been made to, in fact, institute a private prosecution. And this actually highlights the dangers of private prosecutions. I think it's important, it's good that we have it in our law, but it needs to be, we need to ensure that, like the NPA, that works within a particular legal framework and has a constitutional obligation to ensure that we prosecute without fear, favor, or prejudice, that private prosecutions are not utilized in order to further certain agendas